Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clear cache on Phantom Wallet. Phantom Wallet is designed to run smoothly without requiring users to manually manage cache like some other apps. However, over time, temporary data cache can build up and cause issues such as incorrect balances, slow performance, or loading errors. Although Phantom does not provide a direct clear cache button, there are several effective ways to refresh and clear cache data safely. So first, what you can do is you need to open to your Phantom app, and you can open it with your Face ID or your password simply, and after that you can simply go to your profile icon in the top left. Over here you can go to the setting. Under the setting you can find to this option for the security and privacy. Tap on the security and privacy there and scroll all the way to the bottom until you find to this reset app there, and tap on the reset app, and this will remove all the existing account and the data. Make sure you have your recovery phrase and private keys backed up, and tap on the continue, and that is it. This is how you can clear cache on the Phantom Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.